A PayPDM coin is a digital currency issued by PayPDM network. It is a smart contract using the Ethereum based protocols. A PayPDM is a decentralized crypto venture capital firm and crypto financial services. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I will share such a great airdrop of the PayPDM, and also I am going to review each and everything regarding the PayPDM platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major crypto update. First of all, I will tell you the main things regarding the PayPDM. PayPDM is a decentralized the crypto finance which generates revenues for both the community and its firm. At the moment, PayPDM has a financial service which is called PayPDM FinTrade is available and in operation for every user. FinTrade is a decentralized financial service which helps you safely invest crypto focused on foreign exchanges, cryptos, currency and crypto asset diversifications. This is basically the FinTrade all about. So basically the thing is this: right now you can say after the end of ICO campaign there would be other major developments which are basically you can say crypto lend and the PDM gamings issued by the PayPDM. Here you can see it by yourself. PayPDM is a decentralized the crypto finance firm which capitalizes on blockchain based firm to generate revenues for both firm and its community. So that is such a great thing regarding the PayPDM platform. Right now, the what is basically the crypto lend. I will basically share the main things that how they are going to work. So first of all, what is basically the crypto lend? Crypto lend is for its community premium users where they can easily lend crypto without collateral and with a low interest rates. Then the second thing, what will be the second thing? That will be the PDM gamings. That is such a great thing. PDM gamings would be in operation also, and in you can say at this time the when basically the PDM gaming will be in you can say the main thing is this: the PDM gamings would be in operation also and in centered on game apps which would have its first release of game apps on Play Store and App Store. You can say the PayPDM coin is the coin or reward points the game app would make use of. This coin can also be exchanged for BTC, Ethereum and LTC on PayPDM supported exchanges. And this is the right time, according to my review, this is the right time to invest in this coin, because at this time, for example, if you are going to invest 1 Ethereum, you can buy up to 2000 PYD very easily. And if you are going to hold those the 2000 PYD for next you can say 2 to 3 months, you will be able to collect up to 4 to 5 Ethereum very easily. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform. Here you can see each and everything, especially the roadmap of this platform, the PYD. So here basically they mention all the things, and if you want to know something more regarding this platform, you can easily basically check the contract address, and even you can watch this video, because in this video they tell the whole theme of this very platform PayPDM. I will share both the links, especially the main platform link, and also I will share the link of the main form of airdrop. And if you want to buy this coin, it is entirely very easy for you. You just have to click on buy PYD exchanges. You just have to click over here, and here you can see it by yourself that right now only 4 days are left. So you have the time to buy this token directly in BTC and in Ethereum pair. So you can easily buy just by clicking on this link, and you just have to send them BTC or Ethereum, and you can easily buy the PYD coins. Here you can see one thing more, that minimum is 0.1 Ethereum and 0.0025 BTC. So it is entirely very easy for you to buy this token. And here you can also see one thing more, that 1 Ethereum is equal to 2000 PYD tokens. So that is such a great thing. On May 25, the whole ICO is at that time the whole ICO will basically end. So you have only 4 days left. Now I'm going to show you the main thing on the airdrop. It is entirely very easy, and if you want to know something more, you just have to check each and everything on their white paper, and even you can basically ask whatever you want to ask on their social media, because the team is available for you over there 24/7. So right now I'm going to show you the entire airdrop. First of all, you have to come over here, and here you can see it by yourself that very soon this token will be on La Token Exchange, Probit, and Tokens Dex. So first of all, you have to enter your email address, then you have to follow them on Twitter, then you have to click over here and you have to enter your Twitter username, your Telegram username, and at the end you have to enter your Telegram, the referral username. You have to enter my username over here, and at the end you have to enter your personal MyEther wallet address to collect your PYD tokens. It is such a great airdrop of about $18.4. so it is your chance to join this airdrop right now, because it is very limited for only and only 5,000 users. So it is your time. Grab this airdrop, and also if you want to buy this token, you must have to read each and everything on the white paper, and then you can easily buy this token. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.